Hello everyone, welcome to Chadani Solutions. So today, let's talk about how you can create a form under your Go High Level account. So first, go to your dashboard, to your sub account dashboard. Check the site, click the site, and then go to Forms. So check the builder. Okay, let's create another form. I'll be removing this one. So after that, go to Form, create a form. Okay, this one you can remove or add something else. You just need to select from here if you want to add another text line here. You need to rename it. For example, address, you want to add address. Okay, if you want to add checkback, something like that. So after that, you can rename this. You can rename this one, or you can change this one. So go to try to check the settings. So after you submit, you are going to select if after they submit the form, they will maybe redirect to another URL, or you will send a message or an order confirmation. So for now, we will select a message, simple message after they submit a form. So you can add something like this. Ignore this if you have planned to use a form inside your funnel. So let's ignore this for now. So, so submissions. So under the submissions, this is where you're going to check or to see who or who submitted the form. So, so in email notification, you can change this. Receive an email when someone fills out the form. So you are going to, for example, write your website here, or whatever that you would like that would make sense. So put your email as an admin of the website, or if you want to receive a a notification, so reply. This is where um the user the user can reply to this email. So you want to put your name here, sender name, or you want to put your business name, whatever whatever that really makes sense for the form that you are making. So you can send form submission as PDF. So if they submit, they will be notified and give you a PDF form. So autoresponder send an automate email to person who submits the form, so they can receive auto respond. So again, you need to fill up this one. So that's it for now for this workflow. We will um we will not um discuss this for now. It's just simply form. So click save. Okay, the name is already been used. Okay, I will change the because I've already used the so save. This message already used by a standard field. Please choose a different name. Okay, form 3, form 4. Now let's reload. So let's do it again. Notification, if you want to receive, form test, sender name, save, save. Okay, so preview. So this is your form now. So if someone since we didn't change this one, so it is showing currently this dummy text or this one. So here you you have now a form that's ready to put into your websites or funnels. So we will create a new tutorial for that. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.